Hey, John Crestani here, and today we're going to go over another affiliate network that I've made a ton of money with. It's the #1 Nutra affiliate network for people looking for natural supplements to help cure whatever problems they're having. This network makes a ton of money, and I've made about $1 million, I think, with this network. So there's a lot of big money here. I'm going to be walking through the network on my computer. I'm going to be explaining some important terms because this network works with a lot of advanced affiliate marketers. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving away my free link posting software. I'll also be showing you how, instead of asking me for my WhatsApp or trying to connect with me, like, thinking I'm gonna hang out with you, I have a community that I set up just for you, and I'm gonna give you access to it for free so you can get started there. And everything we'll be walking through on my computer on this link above, and I'll be going over the pros and the cons of Jumbleberry so that you know what is the best way you can start earning money online. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are on Jumbleberry, as you see, and they say pay for customers, not clicks or impressions. So they work with both advertisers and affiliates. Advertisers are the product owners. You're interested in being an affiliate, make more money. You can read more stuff from this side here, but it's all about the money. You make big money working with this network. I implore you to sign up for it because you can make a lot of money with it. Now, everything I'll be going over will be right here on this sheet. As you see, the way you get to it is go to this link. Now, make sure you pause the video if you need time to copy down the link. This network accepts people anywhere in the world, any age. And if you are using a phone, flip it to landscape mode, take notes. I'm going to show you how to make money with this affiliate network. I know you want to scroll through the comments, and also try to watch this on a desktop computer. I know 80% of you just kind of want to be on your phone, but if you're really serious, watch this on a desktop computer, full screen. Let's go straight into Jumbleberry, then I'll kind of go over some of the pros and cons in a bit. So this is Jumbleberry right here. So this is us logged in, and you'll see, they offer pretty good payouts, $73 CPA, meaning you'll get $73 when you promote this offer. Also notice that the EPCs are way higher than other affiliate networks, almost 10 times higher than many other offers on ClickBank or Digistore and stuff like that. You can make really big money with these affiliate offers, but you really will need to use a landing page. None of these will work if you're not using a landing page. And if you want to learn about how to use landing pages and whatnot, people aren't really interested in that on YouTube. I've already done those videos. If you really want to learn the in-depth stuff, join my training course, Super Affiliate System. There's a link below in the description to a webinar, which will teach you a little bit about my training program. But my training program really prepares you to promote very aggressive offers such as this, because again, you need to use a landing page and you're going to need to test a lot of them. Okay, so you see they have keto diet offers here, CBD oil offer, $80 CPA. You have more CBD offers. You have skincare offers. And one of the oldest markets in the world has been skincare because women are always going to want to be more beautiful. Okay, thousands of years ago, women wanted to look prettier. Thousands of years in the future, women will want to look prettier unless we all live in virtual reality, which I guess people would still want to look pretty. Point being, you have a lot of money here, and I will be explaining some of these terms in just a second here. You see there's a lot of new terms in this affiliate network. Now, for some of the pros and the cons, you'll see that this network specializes in Nutra. I don't know the exact number, but they pay affiliates roughly $50 to $100 million per year. It's a very big network. Do need approval to get in. They are selecting for people who know about affiliate marketing and who understand the industry and are not going to waste their affiliate manager's time. There are no excluded countries. They have about 400 offers. Once you're approved to the network, you do also need to be approved to the offer. They do not do high ticket products. You get about $40 commission. They do have support if you are accepted. They do not have tools, training, or community. It doesn't cost any money to join this network, and they will pay you out a variety of ways, and the threshold is $50. If you want to join, again, you can go to this link over here on the right, or you click Jumbleberry over there, and it will take you. Now, I'm going to explain a few words here that come up in the network. So the first one is cap. Okay, so what cap means, you might see something such as 500 cap, okay, or let's say, 250 cap. What 250 cap means is it means you can only sell 250 of this product per day. Okay, sometimes they do it by day, sometimes they do it by week. I remember when I was an affiliate, I loved promoting diet trial. I would have to promote like 4 or 5 different offers in a day because I would go through all the cap. I would sell 250 of one product, and then I'd have to go to the next product and I'd sell 250 of that, and then I'd rotate to the next offer. Cap is oftentimes happens in trial offers because there's a recurring billing. Basically, it's hard to get merchant processing accounts. You can only sell so many products through a single merchant processing account. It's a whole crazy industry, but if a product has cap, it usually means it's a very aggressive offer and you can make a lot of money with it. The next thing is localized payment, okay? So you'll see this underneath some of the offers. What does it mean to have localized payment op? Now, the thing is, in many countries, they don't use Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. In countries like France or Germany or Sri Lanka, there are different payment options. In India, cash on delivery is popular because people are untrustworthy of credit cards in many countries around the world, so they prefer to do payments different ways. Now, if you're working with an affiliate offer or a product that is selling in a foreign country, you're gonna have a lot harder time getting sales if you're selling in India if you only accept American Express, because not many Indians use American Express. Same thing with Visa. Even if you're using Visa in India, a lot of just individuals, a lot of potential customers will not want to put their credit card information in India online. They want to use cash on delivery. And every single country, all the countries around the world have their own payment preferences. Some people have their own credit card, their own version of Visa. And in order to be successful, you want to make sure you promote an offer with localized payment options. And if you're watching this, type down the #1 way people like to pay for stuff online in your country. In America, it's Visa and PayPal. But in other countries, it might be something different. So type in something unique. I'd love to hear what the preferred payment option to buy stuff online is in your country. Now let's get into the next thing. We said trial. Trial means that people are not buying the product initially. So, maybe the product cost is $80. But all the company cares about when they're getting a trial is they sell them for maybe $3.95, okay? So somebody will put their credit card down for $3.95, and then later they will be charged $80 14 days later, okay? 14 days later, something like that, if they like the trial. These offers are some of the best converting offers, okay? They just work. People would rather spend $3 than $80. It's just kind of obvious. So you'll make a lot more money if you can get people in the door for a trial than if you're asking them to pay the whole $80 up front. Again, trials make marketing easier, so that's why generally you want to give preference to offers that are trials. Now the last thing, the opposite of trial is called a straight sale. Okay, and a straight sale is when the person pays the full price of the product on day one. Okay, when they see it's going to cost $80 and they pay $80. Hey, and if you're liking this video so far, if you like these walkthroughs, if you like the explanation terminology, give this video a big subscribe and make sure to enable notifications, because I'm testing out this thing where every Monday I do a live Q&A with my followers. I'd love to talk with you, help you out, answer any questions, call you out on your poor mindset or whatever, make fun of you. We just have a fun time on these live streams. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Once again, I suggest you apply to all of the affiliate networks, and in order to get access to my community, you want to go over here to this area that says resources, okay? Resources right here. I'm going to put a big arrow down here. Okay, big arrow, because people have been having problems finding this, or some people just listen to my videos. I don't know why you listen to my videos. A lot of this is just, you need to watch them. So we go over to the resources tab, and we'll see one thing here. If you want to get traffic for free, I've done about 500 videos on getting free traffic. Watch them here. Okay, if you have not applied all of the free traffic methods and you want more free traffic methods, you're crazy. Just apply the free traffic methods I put. Now, for our affiliate community, this is a great way for you to start interacting with other affiliates, see what other questions they're asking, and all that jazz. Okay, so you can interact with other affiliates, work with people, find partners, whatever, learn, find other resources, share memes in our affiliate community on Discord. You can chat with others, etc. And last but not least is our free software. Now, this will show up as a virus warning because we haven't had the software certified yet. But if you want to actually use the software, if you're having problems downloading it, I would suggest that what you do is you turn off your antivirus. Yeah, basically turn off your antivirus to run it. What it does is it's video reposting software based around a video that YouTube actually banned because they don't like people learning my really good free traffic methods that work. So check that out. And once again, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you'd like to hear about next. Let me know if you'd like me to keep going over terminology or if this was too advanced of an affiliate network. If you don't want me to show advanced affiliate networks, if you'd like me to just focus on beginner affiliate networks, type in focus on advanced, focused on beginner, do a mix, whatever, because I want to know what you'd like to see next. Have a good day, all the best, and have a